Want to discover more of Japan by going off the beaten track? Try hiking up Mount Kouno. It is a mountain located in Kishiwada, Osaka, and is only 296.4 meters high. It is also believed to be the home of gods. Since the hike is shorter and easier than the other mountains in Japan, you can focus more on the beautiful scenery. Mount Kouno offers an amazing sight in any season, but if you want to make the most out of your experience, I recommend visiting in autumn. Seeing the autumn leaves from the base to the top is like a dream. On top of that, since it's an off-the-beaten track, most probably you won't see other people in the summit at the same time you are there. This means whether you choose to go there alone or with friends, you can have an uninterrupted moment while taking in the breathtaking view and enjoying the cool, fresh air. It is absolutely an amazing experience you shouldn't miss. So if having an entire mountain all to yourself sounds like your kind of adventure, make sure to add Mount Kouno to your bucket list.